Welcome back. Well, there is no doubt most pet owners consider their pets part of the family, and when there's cancer in the family, it can be devastating. Traditional cancer therapies can be used on pets, but they can also come with very nasty side effects.
Today, we want to introduce you to a treatment called SRS that gives your pet a better quality of life. Previously, Wisconsin pet owners would have to travel hundreds of miles to get SRS, but now it's available right here in the Milwaukee area with PetCure Oncology. Check it out. Dr. Pullman, we're here in the treatment room for PetCure Oncology. What is the prevalence for cancer in pets? Because we think about how prevalent it is in humans, but it's just as prevalent in our animals.
Cancer is prevalent in our pet population, and about 12 million dogs and cats are diagnosed with cancer every year. So it should be as much on the radar for our pets as it is for our family. When we take them into the vet, we get a diagnosis. What are the options? Because a lot of times I think it hadn't been able to be treated in the past.
Sure.
So, working with your primary care veterinarian and getting to a diagnosis of cancer is the first step. And once a diagnosis is made, then the next step is usually meeting with an oncologist. So here at Lakeshore Veterinary Specialist, we have a medical oncology team and the partnership with PetCure Oncology to work with radiation therapy so that we can really offer kind of the full clinical approach to treating cancer. So with PetCure Oncology, we're able to offer stereotactic radiosurgery here at Lakeshore Veterinary Specialist. And what that means is that the radiation therapy is now very, very targeted. So what people are familiar with, the kind of typical radiation burns, the pretty significant side effects that people may have experienced with friends or family, we're really minimizing that. We're minimizing the number of treatments that patients are having, minimizing anesthesias that are required, and we're able to treat things that we didn't think were treatable before.
Results have been good?
Results are good. So stereotactic radiation therapy, it offers a really good treatment option for pets whose tumors were deemed inoperable. So places that are high risk for surgery. And this type of treatment removes a lot of that risk. Fewer side effects with this type of treatment. The pet's quality of life is great throughout treatment and really, really good after treatment as well.
I think so many times when people are choosing to treat or not treat, they're thinking about the cost. Is pet insurance something that oftentimes will help cover cancer treatment?
We've had good experience with some of the insurance companies that we've worked with so far. I've seen them cover from 90 to 100% of this treatment. What's important is to talk to your veterinarian when you're getting a pet, when you're talking about getting a pet, and consider pet insurance at the beginning, because oftentimes they won't cover pre-existing conditions. So what we're seeing is good results with the insurance. It should definitely be a part of the conversation.
So the partnership with Lakeshore Veterinary Specialist and PetCure has really been amazing. At Lakeshore, we're a team that's growing, and we certainly give a lot of care towards our patients, and that meshes very well with PetCure. To have something like radiation oncology in our backyard in Milwaukee here is absolutely amazing. It allows us to provide comprehensive oncology care for our pets without having to travel long distances, and with this new technology we're doing things that are less invasive, involve less anesthesia for our patients, and really has been a big welcome to the Milwaukee community.
I got to learn so much about PetCure here today. You guys as a family, Lisa, Melissa, and Karma, have experienced all the benefits that they have with having PetCure Oncology here locally. Talk a little bit about Karma's story and how you first saw and noticed some symptoms with her that led you to think that she needed some help.
Last November, we noticed that she had a protrusion in her right eye, but she wasn't acting herself.
Yeah.
But it had been a slow kind of thing. We have another dog, and they hadn't been playing as much.
Yeah.
So I took her into our regular vet, and they took an x-ray, and they found that there was a mass behind that. So that was when we decided to use the PetCure Oncology that is available here, and we had it done in January.
And what was her experience? How did she react? How did she, behave or feel during the treatments?
After the first anesthesia, she didn't feel real good, so they changed the anesthesia for her, which is something that they can do. So from then on, she did much better with the anesthesia. And other than that, there was really nothing as far as side effects from the radiation other than her beautiful mask.
Yeah, Melissa, tell me about this, kind of a neat reminder of her story and how successful it was for her.
Absolutely. This white mask expanded out from the treatment source
Yeah.
And it's rather a charming way of recalling her experience.
Within a month after the treatment, we looked outside and our 10-and-a-half-year-old dog and our 3-year-old dog were running around like a couple of 3-year-old dogs.
Yeah.
Are you like a puppy again, Karma? Well, I just think it's such an amazing thing because so many people have to travel so far to be able to get a treatment like PetCure Oncology. The fact that we have it right here in Milwaukee and you already had a relationship here was quite a treat. And making the choice, I think, to treat or not treat your animal is a huge deal. What would you say to other families facing the same sort of question?
Not everyone feels the same way. This is a choice, and it's a choice that we made. We've obviously seen the results, and we've had her now for 8 months. We wouldn't have had otherwise.
And it's been 8 quality months.
Exactly.
So far. And
yeah.
she's
the quality
showing no signs of slowing down.
Right. Her quality of life is very, very high.
Love that.
So cute.
PetCure Oncology is partnered with the Lakeshore Veterinary Specialist located in Glendale. For more information on SRS technology and how it differs from other cancer treatments, visit PetCure online at petcureoncology.com/fight or give them a call at the number on your screen. It's toll-free 844-308-2576. They're right in Silver Spring.
Yeah, it's close. Really cool, too.